Richie, I just passed the toll booth down here, exit 11, man. And you still rocking on this PC78. I just came out of the toll booth out here, exit 11, southbound, and you rocking on. Hey, Richie, you rocking on, Richie. Hey, Richie Radio, small fry, no squeal, Mobile got down.
Small fry, no squeal, Mobile got down. Right up his ashtray. Too many imitators, too many instigators. Not enough initiators. And only one elevator cranking out radios sounding like that. The boy's name is Richie. Richie the garbage man, Richie.
I'm on Route 9. I'm about to get on Route 9 right here. I'm about to get on Route 9 right here. Look at that, Route 9 I got down.
Route 9 you got down.
It ain't no time. It ain't no time for no other duck plucker in your radio. I got no time for another duck plucker in your radio. I got no time for another duck plucker in your radio. Worldwide radio, no squeal, Mobile got down, Ray Bay.
Alright, stay back quiet. Cut off. Alright, 314, you got it back.
I got this slow turtle. I got this garbage truck in front of me, man, doing like 35 miles an hour on a big highway over here with his flashers on. What the hell's wrong with these drivers nowadays, Break?
They don't get out of the way. Anybody's got a shitty ass radio talking on it all day long.
You said my radio is shitty, driver. Hey, driver, did you say my radio sounds like shit?
Come on. You gotta stay quiet.
This is the only radio I got. Look at that right there. A little Uniden PC78. A little Uniden PC78 all the way down here making some noise. What do you think about that, driver? They call me worldwide. They call me worldwide radio break.
Yeah, it's making some noise, Carly. I can't want to take it out. I tell you, hey, suicide, boy, man, why you trying to commit suicide?
I got somebody in my radio saying they try to commit suicide. I got somebody in my radio saying they try to commit suicide. I got someone in my radio saying they try to commit suicide. I got down.
They got a minute, boy, top of the avenue, top of the morning.
Hey, mall dropper, you say they try to commit suicide? That's not nice. Hey, mall dropper, give them the suicide hotline. Give them the prevention hotline, the 1-800. The 1-800 don't do it. Hey, mall dropper, hey, not guilty. Hey, not guilty. Give them that 1-800 don't do it hotline number, break.
Damn it, boy. I think I'm gonna tell you something, man. I don't know, man. You know, hello. See, Joe was getting high, and they run into him. So I guess he just kept the tradition alive. He tried to commit suicide because his baby mama ain't messing with him no more. Damn it, boy.
You said that boy tried to commit suicide. You say that boy tried to commit suicide, 300, click. Hey, not guilty. You say he tried to commit suicide. Give him the suicide prevention line.
Man, he don't need no help, man. He's trying to check out. You should have been there, man. I turned around, and he was just a smile. I knew he needed help. Click.
Hey, you knew that duck plucker needed help, man. Hey, mall dropper, you knew that duck plucker needed help. That's what you say, but you say he tried to commit suicide. You say that duck tried to commit suicide. I got down.
No doubt about it, man. No doubt about it, man. Ain't that all, man? Yeah, I had the girls, man.